Hi, everyone. I'm Miss Kundrat, and I'm the math coach at Fort Pierce Central High School. And I'd like to share some information with you about upcoming testing. Now, if you are a junior and you are a member of this Microsoft Teams group for testing, it is because our records indicate that you still need to pass a math test to meet the graduation requirements. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to share my screen with you. Here we go. Now what this is this is a Concordant Scores chart. So it shows you what you can earn on different tests to satisfy your grad recs. 9th, 10th, and 11th grade, all the same. Seniors are a little different because for seniors, they are still allowed to use the PERT to satisfy the math grad rec. But we're going to look here for 11th grade. You can pass your algebra EOC, that's earning a level 3 or higher. But in addition to that algebra EOC, you can take the SAT and earn a 420. PSAT, you can earn a 430. And ACT, a 16. And of course, that's all on the math portions of those tests. Something that's new this year is that you can earn a level 3 in the geometry end of course exam. So if any of you have already earned a level 3 or higher on the geometry EOC, please send me a message in Teams and I will look into that for you. We are actually offering some tests in school. I'm going to start here. There we go. We are doing an in-school ACT. That is going to be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, October 6th, 7th, and 8th. Now, this applies to juniors and seniors only. The cost is $42. And I know that may sound like a lot of money, but we're going to talk about what that $42 gets you. So typically, if you take the ACT, it's on a Saturday, and the cost is $52, so it's $10 more. And you also have to take all of the subjects in that one day. What we've done is broken it down into 3 separate days. Now, I'm going to just look here at math, and that 60 right there, that's 60 minutes. If you were taking it on a Saturday, you would only have 60 minutes to take the math portion. But because we've broken the test into 3 different days and it is a non-college reportable, you're actually getting 180 minutes. That's 3 hours to do the math portion. And for all the other subjects, you get triple time as well. And if you do reading, you to pass your reading math test, your reading test requirement for graduation, you can earn a 19 or an 18 in both reading and English on the ACT, and then of course the 16 in math. But what's neat about this in-school test is, let's say you've already met that reading test grad rec. You don't have to test on Tuesday and Thursday. You will just go in on Wednesday and take the math portion. So I really encourage you all to pay this $42 and take this test in school, because the more opportunities you have to pass and meet this grad rec, the better. And again, here's just the dates. Oh, you know what? I need to give Miss Gray a shout out for this image. I actually took a picture of her front board. So shout out to Miss Gray. Probably looks familiar to some of you. All right. The in-school ACT, again, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, October 6th, 7th, and 8th. Brick and mortar students, you will be taking it during school hours. For my school students, the virtual learners, the dates are still the same, 6th, 7th, and 8th. However, you will be testing after school from 2:30 to 5:30, and there will be 10 or less in a room. Now, we are also doing the PSAT in school. Now, this applies to 10th and 11th graders, and it is free, which is super awesome. Here's the deal with this one. You have to earn a 430 on math to meet your grad recs. In-school PSAT for traditional students, brick and mortar, that will be Wednesday, October 14th during school hours. And for my school students, the in-school PSAT will be Thursday, October 29th. Now, for you my school students, I'm not quite sure on the times yet, but as soon as I have that information, I will share it with you. But I do want to really, really emphasize the importance of you taking the math portion of this PSAT seriously and really, really trying your best, because you will be so surprised how well you can actually do when you give it your all. And the 430 is, it's very attainable. So please try your best on a PSAT day. If you decide that you would like to take the ACT, that $42 must be paid by Wednesday, September 30th. I'm going to say it again, Wednesday, September 30th. That is the deadline for the payment for the ACT, the in-school one. Remember, you get triple time and it's broken into 3 days, so it's worth it. What you do is you go to schoolpay.com, and to log in, you use your email with your 56 number at stlucieschools.org, and your password is your lunch number or your 56 number. If you do not have a school pay account, that's okay. I created a how-to for you. And so I'm going to send you this. I'm going to send you all of the documents that I shared with you today. And if you keep scrolling on this, it shows you which test to pick and how to actually go through with the payment for the ACT. On that note, there we go. On that note, if you have any questions or concerns, please send me a message on Teams and I will be more than happy to help you out. I'm also going to be sharing SAT and ACT practice tests and study tips, study tricks. I'll be talking about boot camps coming up, so stay tuned for that. And anything you all need, please reach out to me. I'm here to help, and I'm looking forward to working with you all. We'll talk soon. Bye.